What are y'all doing?
I'm planting a flower.
You what?
I'm planting the flower.
You're planting a flower. What are you doing, Grant?
In the water.
You're getting the water?
But I trying to plant the weeds, and then that one Grant is on my way.
Grant
No,
is
it's hurting them.
Grant is in your way? He's trying to put dirt in there, huh? Grant, no, honey. No, get the dirt from out here and put it in here. No. Grant, get the shovel and get the dirt from out here and put it in here. No, come out here and get the dirt. Okay, put the water down, please. Thank you.
I'm planting the flower.
Yeah, we'll keep the water on the flower. How's that?
Look, in my.
Yeah, are you getting water? Okay, and Chelsea's helping put it on the flower. So maybe, Chelsea, you could put it on his shovel and then it goes on the flower, Chelsea. You could do that together.
Put it on the flower, Grant.
Put it on the flower, Grant. Whoops. Don't get him wet, Chelsea. Put it down. Chelsea, put the hose down.
Let it wet. Wait, you're pressing me.
No, well,
let it wet.
He's saying you're getting him wet. Stop.
Let it wet. You're flaking it.
Say, please stop.
Please stop. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
What are you saying bye-bye to? The dirt? Oh, no. We need dirt. No, Grant, stop. Stop.
Grant,
You're hurting the plant. Okay, come here.
Let's
Come here, Grant.
No water.
What?
Grant, get no water for the plants.
Grant, can you come get a rock? Come over here and get a rock, Grant. You want to come get some more rocks to put in there?
No.
No? Okay, well you can't take out the dirt. Keep the dirt in there, okay?
And then you can take off the plant.
Yeah.
And then that one the plant.
There he goes. Look, he's putting it. No, put the dirt in there. Now you're getting him wet. Tell him you're sorry. Say, I'm sorry. Chelsea, say you're sorry for getting him wet.
I'm sorry. You gave me dirt.
Can you wash him off? Just on his hands, please. There you go. Grant, put the dirt back in there. There you go. Put the dirt down. There you go. Keep it in there. Thank you. That's good. So do you know what kind of flower that is, Chelsea?
Yeah.
It's called a portulaca. Can you say portulaca? Say portulaca again.
Portulaca.
That's it. Portulaca. And it likes the sun and it likes the hot. It likes everything. What you doing, Grant? Keep the dirt in there, please. It likes the sun and the heat.
Look. That's it.
Oh, you want to wash? Ask sister, please wash it. Don't get your brother.
Stop. Move. A shout.
Say stop, please.
Stop me. I'm not plant.
Oh, you're gonna water the rosemary.
Grant, you give me dirty.
Careful, Grant. You're getting us dirty. I think you got her little princess dress dirty.
Grant.
Whoops.
Grant. Stop doing that. It made my suit all dirty. Aw, Grant. No, I'm not being you.
Grant, let's keep the dirt in there, please.
Get him.
Chelsea, stop washing him.
I'm washing him hard.
What?
I'm washing him
Why are you washing your brother?
because that one she got dirty on him.
But now his whole outfit's wet. His whole pants are wet now. What do you think about that? His pants are wet.
Look. See what, Baba?
Oh, no. Don't make it go bye-bye. Get it. No. Put it back in. Come here. Grant, come over here. No, 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 no. Put it back in. Put it on the plant. Thank you. Okay,
Yeah.
come get more. Grant,
And
come
the-
get it. Come on, get it back in right here. Let me show you. No, no. Come get more. Come on, over here. Come get the dirt. Get the dirt. Put it back in, please. Put it back on the plant. Thank you. Get more. Put it back in. There you go. We put it on the plant. Okay, Chelsea, how's the water going?
Good.
Good. Is your plant still thirsty, you think, or you think it's done drinking?
Done teaching.
You ready to turn off the water? Okay. Are we ready to turn off the water? Now just pull the little lever. Oh, you're going to change it. That changes it. That doesn't turn it off. See? It changes it. It changes the water. Whoops, are you losing your unicorn?
What?
It changes it. Touch the handle on the top and now pull it. There you go. That turns it off. Okay, hang it up. Hang it up back where it was. There you go. Okay, Grant, we're going to go back to the house with the chicken eggs.
Oh,
You got it.
I thought we were.
You got it. Okay, I'm going to go turn it off. Here, Chelsea, go back to your bike in just a minute, okay? Okay. Say bye-bye.